We are on the north side of Milwaukee. I brought with me my investor-friendly realtor, property manager. She's also going to talk to us about the home inspection process, as well as giving you guys just some tips to look at when you are looking at it from an investment standpoint. Now, who knows why it's important to have an investor-friendly realtor?
Because they know what we're looking for.
They know what you're looking for, because the way realtors look at things is typically for them to win. No knock. I mean, they're supposed to. But an investor-friendly realtor is looking at it so that you win, because they want you to be able to come back and do more business with them. And then we're also going to have our contractor, Jesse, point out some things so that you guys know what to look for to get a property rent ready. Because one of the biggest mistakes I see people make when they're looking to invest in real estate, they want to get something that they would want to live in. And that's a huge mistake. So we're going to talk about from a rent ready standpoint. Okay? So I want you guys to give Nate Nash your attention and a round of applause. And she's going to walk us through the process.
This property